Hello YouTube, we got our 2022 fireworks stash video. Starting it off, we got some smoke and firecrackers, Super 8 rockets by Shogun. Box of goodies for the daytime. Crackling balls, kicks, fountains, Roman candles, a couple loose shells, whistling chasers, fountains, you know, the mix. Here we got a box with a little bit bigger stuff, heading more towards nighttime with this. Some small cakes, fountains, bigger Roman candles, smoke. There's little stuff in here too. Just two little mixed boxes. Over here, we got most of a case of Top Maverick. We got a deep dive and an out cold. 2 Crown Kiku. Rave review. Mother of all bombs. We got 2 kits of neon beef left over. And come over here, we got some rockets. This is all new stuff that we got. Just got back from a trip from. If you know, got more of these. Outer Limits, Vampire Killer, and then what is this? Missile Defense. Told me that these are badass, so I'm gonna have to try one of them soon. Over here I got leftovers. More rockets, some smaller ones. Here, all came from a few different stores out of state. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know, 5-inch pounders, Master 100, Double Jeopardy, Anarchy, Cowabunga, firecrackers. Got Angry Elf, Stinger, Zuki, Mamba, Cobra, all the same shit. Crazy King, these are Whistle to Bang, Firepower, Sugar Cookie, however that's pronounced. Couple smaller cakes, Scoob, Weasels, Loud and Proud by Holy Fuck. One up, ham it up. And here, got more of these. 8 of these. 1 of each. Yeah, I'm doing a video. That's it.